Hello, we are solving an array tree pre-order transversal. Earlier we solved many binary tree questions, but this question is somewhat different. It's of easy complexity. It's just a transversal. So in the pre-order transversal, you will first process root, then left, and then right. So if you just see this tree, then you will go left 3, 5, 6, then 2, 4. Okay, so how to do it? So what we can do is we can store a list which will be we will be returning after pre-order transversal, as you can see in the output. So in the first what we will do is we will first create a list of integer which will be storing our result. Then afterwards what we will do, we'll just print the root, we'll add the root in the list root.val. Then we will, for all the children's like 3, 2, 4, we'll use one for loop and we'll call iteratively there, like for all the values we will add iteratively, like you can see over here, like for the 1 all the children's will call again, then iteratively they will call 3 will call its children 5 and 6, then it will process 5, 6, then afterwards 2, and then 4. So if you see like this, first will be 1, then it is having children's 3, 2, 4, which will be called in a for loop. Again the first will be called recursively, it will be called, and its first 3 will be processed, and then its children 5 and 6 will be processed. Afterwards 3 will be removed, now 2 will be processed, it's not having any children's, and then 4 will be processed. So let's implement this solution. List of integer, list new array list. So this will store our result. Again I am writing another function which will be returning, which will be like updating this list. So it will have the void return type. Okay, void pre-order an array. Let's name differently. So again, so what we'll do is, if root equals null, return list. No, just return, since we are not returning anything. Else what we can do is list dot add root dot val. Okay, so if you see the structure, it's like val is the value of the node and it's having a list of children's. So if you just check node.val, then it will be a value of that node. Node.children will give us a list of its children. So again we can iterate like this. For node root dot children, right? And we'll again call this pre-order of an array. We'll call for node. Then we can just, this will be the last statement. Again we'll call this function pre-order an array with the root, and then we will be having the list, since this function will update this list iteratively. Again we can return the list. Let's run the code. Yes, it is getting accepted. Let's submit it. Yes, it's 100% of it's faster, and it's taking less space also. It's a good solution. Thank you for watching.